योग एक साधना होती है और योग अलग अलग तरीके से होता है। योग के अलग अलग प्रकार होते हैं। आज जो योग संगम के अंदर हमें देखने को मिलेगा वो है जल योग। आखिर जल योग कैसे होता है और जल योग बाकी योगों से कितना अलग होता है, हमारे साथ बात करेंगे डॉक्टर सविता हैं। मैम, हाउ दिस योगा इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम नॉर्मल योगा एंड व्हाट इज दिस जल योगा?
As the name says that this is Jala Yoga, that is, it is connecting with the elements of water, doing yoga on the water, and that is Jala Yoga. Jala Yoga is all about, connecting with the nature. When I say nature, especially it is water element.
So, how it is different from normal yoga and how you got that inspiration to do jal yoga?
Normal yoga, the traditional conventional form, we do it on the land, but Jala Yoga, we do it on the water. Coming to the inspiration, I got the inspiration from my parents. During my young age, my father, he motivated me to take up swimming, and he taught me swimming. And my mother, who was practicing yoga, the traditional yoga, she taught me yoga, to do yoga on the water. And the way I was doing swimming on the water, my mother one day, she triggered me an idea of doing yoga on the water. This Jala Yoga, I learnt it on my own. Nobody taught me Jala Yoga. I learnt it on my own.
People say that yoga is connecting with God. You cool yourself, you calm yourself, and you connect with God while you do yoga. So the same thing happens in Jal Yoga also. You connect to God or you worship the God.
Yeah, definitely, because Jal Yoga, for example, now I am in Mahakumbh Mela. So Jal Yoga is a very, very ancient practice, and it is a very, very sacred practice. So it is about, doing a sacred practice in sacred waters. That is connecting ourselves with nature, especially the elements of waters, sacred waters.
Right, ma'am. So, how many asanas do you perform in Jal Yoga, and how many asanas are there in Jal Yoga?
It's not like how many asanas are there in Jal Yoga. Coming to me, I can perform more than 50 asanas, and I keep trying, and I keep increasing the number of asanas. For example, Urukshasana, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, Shanti Asana, Chakrasana, Matyasana, crocodile exercises. It goes this way.
So, how was experience in Mahakumbh? Like earlier also you came to Mahakumbh, and right now also you are in Mahakumbh. So, how's your experience in Mahakumbh?
See, this is my third Kumbh, I can say. Previously, I have performed in, very recently it happened, Kumbh Mela happened in T. Narsipura, and before that, Kumbh Mela happened in Ambigarahalli in Karnataka. In both the cases, I have performed, and this is my third Kumbh, I can say. And my experience, I cannot even, I don't know how to express it, because it can only be felt. So, sacred practice Jal Yoga in sacred waters, and this is, I feel this is because of the blessings of my family god Naiknahatti Tipperudra Swami and my parents, Professor K. Mallikarjuna and Nirmala Mallikarjuna. Their blessings, today I have got this great opportunity to be part of this spiritual moments. I am very, very thankful to Lord Almighty, and very thankful to Gange Mate, and very thankful to my parents for their blessings. Because of that reason, I have got this opportunity. Thank you so much.
तो ये सविता जी हमारे साथ थी जो जल योगा परफॉर्म करती हैं। योगा अलग अलग तरह के होते हैं, आसन अलग अलग तरह के होते हैं। जल योगा भी एक प्रकार होता है और आज सविता जी वो जल योगा करके दिखाने वाली हैं। और कुंभ में इनका तीसरा ये जो कुंभ है, यहाँ पर ये पहुंची हैं और कह रही हैं कि कुंभ कितना भव्य होता है और कनेक्ट टू गॉड जो पूरा एक सिद्धांत होता है योगा का, उसको कनेक्ट करते हुए यहाँ पे जल योगा परफॉर्म करने वाली हैं सविता जी। परशुराम के साथ अभिषेक राज, टाइम्स, ताना भारत, प्रयागराज।